If you cook at home regularly, the right spatula or turner can make a bigger difference than you think. Today, I'm sharing 5 reliable spatulas and turners that actually perform well in everyday cooking. Number 1. Sabatier Wide Turner. First up is the Sabatier Triple Rivet Stainless Steel Wide Turner. This one feels solid and dependable right away. The wide stainless steel head is great for burgers and pancakes, and the triple riveted handle gives excellent control. Pros: durable, wide head, comfortable grip. Con: not safe for non-stick pans. For stainless steel pan users, this turner delivers excellent value and everyday reliability. Number 2. Mizzen Fish Spatula. The Mizzen Fish silicone spatula is perfect for delicate foods. Its ultra-thin edge slides easily under fish and eggs, and it's completely non-stick safe. Pros: flexible, heat-resistant, great control. Cons: pricier and sold individually. Overall, it's a smart investment for home cooks who want professional level control in everyday cooking. Number 3. OXO Wooden Turner. Next is the OXO Good Grips Wooden Turner. It's lightweight, gentle on non-stick cookware, and feels great in hand. Pro: safe for non-stick. Con: hand washing only. Overall, this turner is a reliable, affordable choice for everyday cooking. Number 4. GIR Silicone Spatula. The GIR Get It Right silicone spatula is a workhorse. It scrapes bowls clean, handles thick dough, and holds up well to heat. Pro: durable, excellent scraping. Con: slightly expensive. If you want a reliable, long-lasting spatula that truly delivers, this one is worth the investment for everyday cooking and baking. Number 5. OTEC Silicone Set. Finally, the OTEC 600-degree silicone spatula set offers amazing value. They're heat-resistant, flexible, non-toxic, and dishwasher safe. Pros: high heat resistance, great value. Con: limited colors. If you want durable, safe, and budget-friendly spatulas, this OTEC set is a smart, reliable choice for everyday home cooking. No matter your cooking style, one of these tools can make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!